Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you Bula. Yeah, Jamaican Bulla. So it's 3¼ cups of flour, 3¼ cups of flour, 1 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, butter, 1/2 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of ginger juice. I'm going to grate this and get the juice up. Grate it. Sea salt I use. And nutmeg, half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And then we're going to combine all of that with, add 1/2 cup of water, the liquid, 1/2 cup of water. To get it out of the, we're going to use a tray, flour board, and a rolling pin. So we're going to start by adding the dried ingredients first. So measure your flour. Alright, 3¼ so that's 2. So that's 1/4. I guess it's 1/4. Alright. Don't do this bam 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 bam. Just measure and just put it in. We're going to, so measure this cinnamon, your baking soda, baking powder, baking powder. I just added that. I don't know if you caught it on the camera, but it went out. Which was 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And the salt. Salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Nutmeg. Now just sieve it. Sieve it. We added the baking powder, baking soda, the salt, the cinnamon, nutmeg. Be patient. Work out your shoulders. So once you get to this part, that's why we sieve it, so we can get rid of the lumps. Alright, so that's that. You just cover this and put it aside for later. Just to get the ginger out of the way, we're going to prep this. So strip it or buy ginger juice, but nothing beats real juice. If I had like a processor, a juicer, I could just process this and get a real juice, but I don't. So I'm gonna grate it. This man didn't make grater, so it's still gonna be on its side. Just you're wondering, this way less than an ounce, like a little bit to an ounce. So it's grated it. Because I want it strong, I'm gonna add just the 2 tablespoons of water to this. Some juice already in there. So just gonna get this out. This one. 2. That's it. I'm gonna get this out too. So that's what you want. We're gonna just let this soak for a little while, and we're gonna strain it. Now we're gonna melt the butter. I know this measures 1/4 cup. I don't need 1/2 cup, so I need 2 of that little scoop spoon. So just slice. Just one. Low flame and let it melt. So just allow this to melt. We're going to add the sugar to this. Once it's melted, we're going to turn it off once it's melted and add all the liquid. Let's turn it off. Alright, vanilla. 1 tablespoon. Measure your sugar, 1 cup and 1/3. I saw it earlier. The thing kind of faded. 1/3. 1/3 here, 1/3. 1 teeth here, 1/3. Get your water ready. Your ginger juice. So add the sugar and your water. You just stir it in. The reason why I'm doing this on the stove because I have to warm the butter, so I just do everything in one. It's not that I'm cooking it or anything. It's the butter I'm warming. I'll add warm or melted really. Alright, you can get ready to add, just put about a half cup of flour, a quarter cup aside. Get your flour that we needed. See if I can smell the ginger in this. So let's start with the sugar. Make sure the sugar is starting. Stir it. Form a hole. A well. Just pour it in. Okay, your oven should be preheat your oven 8 minutes before you're ready to bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So now let's kind of work this thing. Baking tray and just squeeze it right now. Yes. Roll it out. About 1/2 inch thick. Them in squares. spread too much, you know. I make a round Bulla with that one. This is sick. That's some good. Let's make a circle. So that's my circle. Your oven should be preheated at 350. 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, put that in. Just cover it. That was on the middle rack, so put your timer for 25 minutes. They're hardly ever changing color, but they're rising a little. After the time, but I wonder. So you want to get it. Just allow it to cool. It took 25 minutes. Take it apart. You can use a spatula, but you don't need it. You just surprise it. This one can be easy. I live in Bula. Smell like Bula too. Smell like more country Bula. Jamaican Bulla. See, I leave my oven open so it can breeze over. Let's see if I'm worth it. Look at the big one. This one. But the bottom look like a real. I'm just gonna take a picture like this. Yeah man, let's take a picture like that first. Before I break this and sample it so we can see it. Look at thing I stop because this is the image you're gonna see on Facebook. One thing I can say though, the smell is here. The smell did it. Smell it for sure. Wow. Crunchy. Bula. I almost had a cuss about it a while ago. Wow, look at that. Bula. Put it on microscope. That's Bula. That's Jamaican Bulla. The smell is awesome. I don't even have it up to my nose. It's one. That's it. Enjoy. tastes good. I just want some cheese. Homemade Bula. Right, thank God for anything, man. Yeah, this is mistress stuff. It's really good. Most Jamaicans love Bula still. This is good. This is how we eat it commonly. Yeah, and some people even go as far as put butter here. Remember now, pear is nice. Bula is nice with pear. This Bula is 1 day old. Nice. This is nicer than the manufacturers and stores.